Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I will not take too much of a time today because this event is not about me. It is about facilitating people who have done really great for the society, who really deserve it. I had a couple of things, on my way to this event. I was thinking about how exactly can we contribute further to this event, to the society further. Uh, uh, with your kind permission, I would like to make a small donation to the artists who have done a lovely painting here. The objective here of purchasing these paintings is very simple. We are building India's first corporate city. We have come up with another project which is Crown of Noida. I would personally want these paintings to be part of these major two projects in Noida and Greater Noida today. So if you allow, with your permission of course, can I have a small? All the paintings, of course, that's what the objective was. I'll give you an idea, brief. I usually speak from my heart. That's how I've been driving my business as well. When I looked at these paintings the first day, what came to my mind? What came to my mind was that we should, we as an organization, I as a human being, should contribute great something great for the kids, the artists here. And then I thought, okay, as a token of appreciation to motivate them, every day when I enter my office, every day when anybody enters the office, every day when somebody comes to India's first corporate city, when anybody comes to Crown of Noida, they should be able to see the lovely piece of art. So that's one way of appreciating and motivating the artists here. So I'll make the donation for that. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we banked all the paintings. Yeah. Made by the kids. I want to facilitate the kids. That's what the objective is. And at the same time, I would request Mr. Khaitan, President PhD Chambers, to give us an opportunity to facilitate certain NGOs which we thought have really done great work for the society. And obviously, on a platform like PhD, I felt that it's very important that we should recognize people who are doing good work and go unrecognized at times. So, for your permission. Obviously. That's what I would add. Thank you so much. Thank you for your permission.